Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So yeah guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to take a scroll shot on a Huawei device. So for those of you guys who don't know what a scroll shot is it's basically a feature that allows you to scroll down the page and it'll take a very long one screenshot and it'll compile like what you would normally take a few screenshots of into one screenshot. Now I hope that makes sense. It will make sense once I demonstrate it to you guys, but basically makes your life easy. So let's just say for example you guys want to take a screenshot of a very long article. So normally what you do is you take a screenshot, you scroll down, and then you take another screenshot. But what this allows you to do is instead of taking multiple screenshots, you could just scroll down automatically and it takes one very long screenshot and it compiles it all into one shot basically. So that makes your life easy. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it, but for this video I'm using my Huawei Nova 7i. If you guys are using any phone that is older than that, I'm not sure if this feature is available on your phone, but if you guys are using any phone newer or the same model that I am using, your phone should have this feature, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually do it. So first of all, what you guys are going to want to do is actually you guys are going to want to scroll down from the top right corner into your control panel. So from right here you guys are going to want to go and look for screenshot, which is the second right on my second row on the right on my device. It may be different on your device, but if let's just say you can't find it here, what you guys look for the screenshot button. What if you don't find it here, what you guys can do is go to your top right hand corner, look for the square and the pen or whatever you guys want to call that, click edit switches, and you guys are going to want to look for your screenshot button down here, screenshot switch down here, and then what you guys are going to want to do is move it on top to somewhere around here, because from down here this is your whatever extra switches, these will not show up on your control panel. So if you guys have any switch, if your screenshot switch is here, what you guys are going to want to do is move them up just like that. Hold on, for example you're going to move the recorder up just like that, and then that will be there, and then you could click done and then you're good to go. So click done. If once you guys done that, if you guys look back at the screenshot button, you guys will see an arrow that is pointing downwards, and you guys are going to want to click that. Make sure you don't click the top, which is the switch itself, which it'll actually take a screenshot. Click the arrow instead. So from here you guys see it's giving you the option to take a scroll shot. Now that's what we're going to want to press, but I'm going to show you guys demonstrate how do you actually do it. So let's open up something that you guys can scroll and take a screenshot of. So for example you guys want to take a screenshot of today's financial news. So normally how you guys would do it is like this. Hold on, let me show you. So just say you want to take this, you'll take a screenshot here, scroll down, take another screenshot here. Yeah, but now you guys are not going to need to do that anymore. All you guys are going to want to do is, like I said, scroll down, and do keep in mind, once you guys press this button, the scroll shot, make sure you guys don't have your hand on the screen because it will be scrolling. If you have your hand on the screen, it will stop the scroll shot. So this is how you guys are going to want to do it. So click the scroll shot. Now remember, the screen will automatically scroll for you, so let it go, it'll scroll till the end. Okay, let's say you want to stop here, just touch the screen, boom. So then from here you guys can zoom into it, you could read each one like that. Let's just say you have an article you want to read, okay, whatever this is, then you guys can scroll down. You guys can also save it. So I'm going to show you guys one more time how do you actually do it. So let's just say you go back here. Okay, now let's say you guys were here. Okay, let's say like right there, scroll down, click the arrow down, click scroll shot, and just let it scroll. It is a bit fast, so yeah, just say you guys want to stop right there, click touch the screen, and it will have you. There you go, you have your scroll shot. Then you guys can zoom, you guys can save it, and yeah, that's how you guys do it. So don't forget to drop a like on this video and hit the subscribe button, and if you guys have any other tutorials you guys want me to do, let me know in the comment section down below. And with that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.